Okay, so moisture on the lips, moisturization. I'm going to moisturize my lips before we begin. Alright, here we are, Supernova. I got this for Christmas, really fun. I used a nice little coppery goldish color on the outer part of my lid. Yeah, I think it turned out really nicely. And then I mixed in a tad bit of like a pink, but there was also like a maroon, but it wasn't really maroon, you know? It was something that mixed in together. I don't really know what it was, but it was something and it looked good. So, I put it on. Anyway, the next thing I did was I took one of my colors from an e.l.f. makeup pad and I put on something in the crease. You know, a little bit darker of a brown. Then I used this Black Radiance True Complexion Skin Primer. Very nice, just rubbed it into the skin. And then I used this wonderful Pro Concealer thingy. I used the orange under my dark eyeballs, around my red nose, and you know, around my mouth. Because I eat a lot, so you might have found some food. Just kidding. Anyway, so then I just dabbed it all on, you know, smoothed it out, you know, conceal, 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 blend, 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 blend. But I just used my finger for it. I didn't really use a beauty blender. Not really affording that on a college budget. So yeah. Blend, blend, girl, blend it in. Next, I use my black opal. I think it's called Truly Topaz is the color. Yeah, and then I sprayed my little beauty blender, and then I dabbed it all over my face. And then I just kind of blended that in it too. I blended a lot today. Have fun with that. You're going to be doing a lot of it. Blend it in, blend it in. Oh, goodness me. And you know, all throughout this video, I really couldn't find my mascara. So I was really, I was distraught, out of my mind. I couldn't find my mascara. Anyway, so still blending, I see. You know, I probably could have taken a journey around the world, and I'd still be blending by the time I arrived back here. So, we're blending, still blending. Oh, we're looking at the camera. Okay, look at that smile, megawatt. Oh, ew. Anyway, oh, then we have the HD Flawless, don't know what that's called. It's like a yellow powder. I put it under the eyeballs to conceal my dark bags. I don't really know what it's for, but I know how to use it, so yeah. And I'll put that all over my face, you know, all over the centre of my face. It makes me look like, you know, a nice little clown. I put it on my jawline too. I don't really have a jawline, but I thought I'd try it. Did you see that ugly face I made? So then I used some NYX eyeliner. I think that was Black Noir, or Noir Black, whatever. You know, it's a very matte type of liquid liner, and I really like it. It's magnificent. I'm a good singer! I'm kidding, I'm not. But has anyone ever seen Black Mirror? Well, I started with that brush. No, I didn't. I started with a different brush, and it wasn't working, so I had to use that one. That was nice. And then I used the True Complexion Contour Palette. And then I contoured my face, and I gave myself some dimension so it looks like, you know, I'm out of this world and not two-dimensional and flat. So that's what I did there. And then I used this Dream Souffle stuff on my cheekies. You know, I smiled a little bit and showed my little golf ball cheeks. Yeah. She's fake. I'm kidding. Okay. So I just put that on. Okay, and then I got this one for Christmas too. I had a little bit of trouble opening that crap up. It was really hard. As you can see, I used the ends of brushes. I used my mouth. I used my non-existent fingernails. And nothing would open that sucker up. So at this point, I'm putting on my beautiful glow. Because I love a good highlight. And then after that, you know what I decided on doing? I'm going to tell you. Here we are. So I decided on doing a little bit of bronzer. I didn't actually show you guys what the bronzer was, but I just put it on and I like it. I look like a little peach there. So after that, then I was like, no! Because, okay, and that's me. I found it. I found my mascara. Better than sexy. Yeah. Anyway, so I found it. I had cleaned up my dorm earlier that day, so yeah. And then I was like, really? I'm doing it again. No. I decided I wanted to go under the eyeballs with a little bit of eyeshadow. I was gonna fix it, and then I left the screen, and then I came back, and now look at me, fixing up the eyeballs. Yeah. And then after that, I decided on a little bit of kajal. Let me show you. Kajal. I got it from New York. It's very fun. I went with my best friend. Anyway, so yes. Actually, that's a lie. I went with one of my best friends. So yes, and then I smolder at the screen, I smolder at the camera, I smolder at the mirror, and then I put on the mascara, and I look beautiful. So yeah, that was pretty much how I do my makeup, and this is pretty much how I talk to myself. Enjoy! Subscribe, please. Thank you. That'd be helpful.